seem to be doing a lot of these on a Sunday evening. But I am staying consistent. Mostly. I'm not doing the 3 a week that I was planning on doing, but at least getting one out a week is good. So I was playing a trad session there today and on Friday, and I just thought I'd talk about how we describe playing music in Irish. I went over the verbs to hear in Mayo and in Donegal and the other parts of the country, as opposed to maybe the standard Irish that people would learn. And most people in school would be taught, a gimmert for playing football and ag shenyan for playing music, or ag shint or ag shimment if you're from down south. But there's a lot of other ways you can say you play music. For instance, it's really common in Connemara. They say a casa ciod. Vach moid a casa ciod o ais glahi, he would have said. And they say the same thing in Cornamono and Tourmakeady from memory. And casa obviously means literally just twisting. We twist the music or turn the music. Which makes a lot of sense when you're talking about like Ciodnini records, because they're literally turning. But that's not the derivation of it as far as I'm aware. Someone told me before that they reckon it had something to do with the way Shano singers will kind of hold hands and do this, kind of like a rowboat kind of thing. I'm not sure if that's 100% true. You'll also hear people in Connemara Haas, South Connemara, as opposed to like Joyce Country, they'll say things like a Golin, Golin would have said, and that's literally Gol in. That's how I'd say it, but they'd say in, the quilo, the I, and they do that a lot of things down in Connemara. But means to give a tune or give a note, fun, which is the same word as enthusiasm. In Mayo, and as far as I'm aware in Donegal, we don't really say Casa Ciod, or North Mayo, sorry, as opposed to Tourmakeady. They wouldn't say Casa Ciod, they'd say a Bolo Ciod, which is hitting or beating music. So you'd often hear, which kind of makes sense, I suppose, if you think in English we talk about the beats. Those are some good beats if you're talking about like electronic music or something like that. But yeah, if you were playing the fiddle, you would say from that bull and the fiddle. Again, I'm 80% sure they say the same thing in Donegal, but I'm open to correction by someone who knows better than me. Alright, I'll leave it at that.